I set up this PA system alone. I had fun doing it, and I got paid, which is sweet because this is a business after all. My wife helped with the lights, but mostly she's behind the camera. So I'll show you what the day looked like and how we did everything, like what gets plugged into where and what type of gear we used, which should all be in the video description. Ugh. And we have a stage. It's pretty cool. This will work for us. They brought extra power for us, which is good. I think it's 2 circuits each. 2 circuits for me, 2 circuits for the lights. We're just gonna go get everything loaded up.
Well, I'm happy on my own, making coffee just for one, and eating breakfast all alone. Fewer dishes to be done. I'm never running behind. You're never on my mind. No longer there to make me comb my hair, fix my tie, or kiss me goodbye. Swear I'm happy on my own. No one to worry where I am, or waiting for me to come
We're
home.
there.
Staying up till 3 a.m. I'm always out on the town. You're nowhere to be found.
We still have to go back to the car. Yeah, and everything else. The lights. Still need the lights. We need to get speaker stands and my Pelican. And that's it. I'm also not gonna string them together. Just not. Eh, maybe I will, I don't know.
Well, I'm happy on my own, at least most of the time. I guess some of the time, maybe none of the time, I'm happy. Happy on my own.
Where's my wife? Where is my wife? I know people are gonna say this is overkill, and I'll say it again. I don't give a shit. I'm not using all these, it's just easier to have everything plugged in. It doesn't take much more time. Sweet. Power, we got power. Was that necessary? He could have hit my camera. Oh, you bastard. I don't care if I ever go back. Got power. That's how we do it, folks. Oh yeah. Oh. This will be great. This is gonna work great. What could be more boring? Yeah. But you won't do that. We already talked about that, didn't we? That's the DJ stuff. I'm just gonna test out the system. I mean, we're done essentially. Or not done, we still have other things to do. Yeah, and like the lights and, oh gosh. Where's my firing kit? Oh, can you get that? Way over there, still going. Never had one, listen. How long was that video, 40 minutes? Oh, that's a big one. All right. Copyright. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Sweet. And just like that, we're sound checked. Hey, check. Hey, hey. And hey, hey. Oh my gosh. Check. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. They don't need a whole lot in there. I don't know why that's delayed like it is, though. Hey, hey, hey. And hey, hey, hey. Check, hey, hey.
Whether you thrift or wear custom made, whether you're bad or well behaved,
Fashion saves. So this is the signal flow of this setup. The inputs are very simple. We got one mic and a stereo DJ console, and they're all fed to the left and right bus, which is here. That is then sent via matrix sends at 0 dB to my outputs. Those sends return on these channels, and that's where I control the level of the mains, the subs, and the front fills.
fashion saves.
What?
Fashion saves. Fashion saves.
I don't know if this is gonna work with some of the items. How much easier this is when it's flat.